twaba ababembere Didas zirakoza bagira ngo baheza amezi 3 gona batari kutunga mshahara gwabo.
July we have not received our pension benefits. We waited for August, nothing was brought. For September, nothing. Now this is in November, which means it is 5 months.
Dufite abana bari mashuri babuze school fees, tugeze igihe turababaye ameza negarashize none natwe tugira tutabaze. District nangasi government igira ico yatuyamba.
Salaries as the pensioners. So from July this year, we did not get our money. So we didn't know what had caused this. So I've been all along going to the office, asking the officers to tell us more about it.
Gideon Gakura urukurebe imirimo mu district ya Kisoro yashobora government kohereza miliyoni 9 zonka zo gushashara abakozi mu district ngabo bashobora uko barazikozese ogu yashobora no kwisite bwiro bakigezaho kutereza enshongezi.
Dufite hano ni kibazo cyanyu cy'aba pensioners. Abakozi bakoreye government kuba amaze gutaha kandi sente zanyu tuziboneka. Cyo ni kibazo tukumvikana. Sone ndaga kubasaba kugira ngo munyumvirize icyo ngiye kubabwira kuko nico twemeranije na team yo twahoze nayo mu office turi kuganira ku kibazo cyanyu. Tukujana
abakozi aba batari bamwe na bamwe bahandike barha kandi batahe imikono yabo barukusha bo mubembezi wihanga ukutaho mu nshonga zabo.
We are now using presence office. Murukumva? Ariko nubwo tuzakoresha presence office ishiringi zanyura kwande akawa. None of course ikintu gikomeye nukubwira umuntu utari kurya. Nicyo cyatubabaje. Ariko turateka kwihangana uko twihanganya meza ni. None jewe cyo nareba uko mbibonye je uko nabirebye. These people are determined we shall get our money. Sibana katwe ba pensioners. Turukwica mibiki. Kawara tubigiye ati mbe kandi ko muri kuza hano nzingo ari timu yahuye namwe. Hari timu mwigeze mubona aho twe turi. Ariko ngo hari gakuni yahuye n'abantu mu zina rya pensioners. Twicene.
Abone bande
Abana kubera arofisa twa turi amwe mu office. Kuko yabasobanuriye. Bari abatanu mwatoranyije. Barababwiye ngo bagende bicaye. Bandika ibaruwa bishobotse uyu bigeze ngo tuheka bagize ngo bishobotse nubwo uri aradisarayija havemo bari bayijanire bayigeze mu finance bayigeze
banyuma yo kwandika barheze ababagumizamu baza office ya chairperson w'entebe ya katano aba district ya Kisoro barukwenda ngo arebe mu nshonga zabo konkogu diabekereza kutaho mu office ye ari kugira ngo tuwarukora hamshara.
Niba bamaga mu kikiririya murangiza mu
bigambe bitu byashemeza abakozi bari kugira ngo chairperson tabafireho kandi uwo msharogwe nagutunga
Atishanyire mu office nikumara mu myaka 20 aze pension ngene chairman uriho karenze mutanyikirizwe kuteza umucara Rwanda aha mu office ngene ahiki
cyo kucikira hano chairman wetu wa district utakucikira handi utakucike biki esente nezetu esente tizashaka tukiraga mu center wine set na hito turgushasha amazina yetu ko turi yasuwezi kuchimbi ni yashaka
bikanore kwezi with no confidence
yabaye bakoraga gasha kwa Adonia Toire aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kisoro.